In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language in Google Chrome. For this, go to this three-dot menu. Now, click on Settings. Next, go to Languages. From here, click on Add Languages. Now, select your preferred language. Click on Add. After that, click on this three-dot menu and select Display Chrome in this language. Restart your app and the language of Chrome will be changed to your desired language. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.